These are the tools needed for the initial setup of Rotary's R3AC50. To set up the R3AC50 for the first time, begin by removing the box top. Next, cut the zip line on the front. Then, remove the white box from the pallet with attachments and instructions in it, and unscrew the fastener underneath the unit. Now, cut the zip ties on the back and remove the cart from the pallet. Next, plug the unit in. Turn the power on, and the machine will boot up. Scale check for the R3AC50. From the main screen, use the down arrow key to go to Additional Functions and press Enter. Then go down to Scale Check and press Enter. At this point, you will be instructed to open the front cover. Do this by using a 3mm Allen wrench to remove the 2 bolts from each side of the front cover. Use the same Allen wrench to remove the 2 bolts on the top of the unit. Then remove the front panel. Once the front panel is off, press Enter. Now you will need to place the magnetic known weight on the vessel. Next, press the Enter button. Then enter the weight value, which is 1,000 grams, and press Enter. Once the scale check is done, it will automatically go back to the Additional Functions menu. At this point, remove the weight and open both the high pressure and low pressure valves on the vessel. Then replace the cover and attach it with the bolts. Filling the vessel on a R3AC50. Start by assembling the fill vessel quick connector adapter that came with the AC machine, as shown. Then attach it to the fill vessel using a 17mm wrench. Now, go to the main unit and on the Additional Functions menu, select R134A Vessel Fill. Once selected, cut the zip ties off the hoses. Next, attach the red high-pressure line to the fill vessel using the quick connector, making sure to tighten it. Then, open the valve on the fill vessel all the way and turn the tank upside down. Next, on the main unit, press the Enter button. Then enter the weight of the fill vessel and press Enter. At this point, the vessel will start to fill. This process will take around 45 minutes. Filling the oil on an R3AC50. Once the vessel is filled, go back to the Additional Functions menu and select Reset Oil Scales. It will ask you to remove all bottles, but you only need to remove the oil and drain bottles. Once removed, press Enter to reset the oil scales. At this point, replace the drain bottle and fill the oil bottle with PAG oil. Once the oil bottle is filled, attach it back onto the AC machine. Now your R3AC50 is ready to use.